Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2020 Indian Chieftain 116. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2020 Indian Chieftain 116 with 16,784 miles runs well. It comes equipped with ABS and has been upgraded with Indian mufflers and an Indian Stage 1 intake. Powered by a 116 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Chieftain puts 76 horsepower and 126 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 5.5-gallon fuel capacity, the Chieftain has a 200 to 250-mile range. It has a 25.6-inch seat height and an 822-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, the Chieftain will need a new front tire. The starter clutch and tachometer will also need to be replaced. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 1/32 and the rear at 5/32. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs properly, but the starter does not always engage. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a missing storage door. The lever is broken. There's a dent on the end of the fender, a scratch on the saddlebag, and scratches on the upper fairing. This bike has one key and one fob, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold wholesale as is. It received a safety inspection, documentation about its condition, and a detail. It is being sold without a warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.